Loops in Python set number 5, programs continued. So, where is the program list? Here is the program list. And in the program list, you can see we are going to carry on from program number 5. It was about multiplication table. So, before doing that one, let me show you one multiplication table format. You see what is shown here? R is ranging from 1 to 10. Plus 1 means that 1 beyond, because otherwise 10 will become the limit and it will go up to 9. So 10 plus 1. So P is equal to 25 into R. 25 is a number getting multiplied to R, and printing 25 into R is equal to P. So let me show you the output. Okay, the output I have kept ready so that you can get the better effect faster. Check here. What do you see? Here you can see 25 into is getting printed from the print statement, and this is coming fixed every time. Okay, and into R is changing one by one from 1 to 10, and P is the product which is happening just now here. So inside the loop there are two things happening. One is the calculation and one is the printing. So these statements are getting repeated as many times the loop is getting repeated. Now I am going to show you one minor modification. Okay, wait. Right, so see the change in the code. Here, this time instead of 25, I can see n has been taken. N is a variable and inside n 15 has been put. This 15 which is in n is getting used when n is getting printed. So let me show you the output of this code. The output of this code will show you the different value for the number which are getting multiplied. Let me set the screen just a second, please. And in the screen now you can see instead of 25, 15 has come, and the result is also oriented to 15. Now one more is this. If I change 15 and make it 21, you would like to see the table of 21? Then in that case I will save it and I will run it. This time if I run, you see the table of 21 is appearing from 1 to 10. So you can see that it is not that you always have to multiply a fixed number. You can multiply different numbers. More on this, what do you say if I modify the code in this way? Will you like it? If I replace a fixed number with a variable to be supplied, take that. So let me run this once again and show you what is going to be. This time, instead of supplying the number inside the program, you are putting it from the outside. So if I now give 12, you will see the table of 12 will appear. If I run the program once again, and if I supply 32, then the table of 32 will appear. I can run the table of any number. During the run time, I can supply the value. So this is a very important code of multiplication table. There's another interesting angle to it. Would you like to see the changes that I'm bringing in it one by one? If I make it from 10 to 20, rather 20, the 20 plus 1 means 1 beyond. That means I'm going up to 20. What do you expect? Make an expectation before I run the program and see what's going to happen this time. So this time if I enter the table of what? 9. Check the 9's table. 9's table from? Do you think it will start with 1? What do you think it will start with? Check. I am pressing the enter key. See, this time the table is starting from 10 and is going up to 20. Right? There is other possibilities also possible. I could have modified it in this way too. See, I can take it upwards for the range. I can even take it downwards for the range. In that case, Can you make a guess what will happen this time? Take your time, pause the video. Do make your guess. Only after that come and see the output. So this time if I enter 9, what do you think will the first output be? See, it is coming with 10 as the first value for the printing because the range has been converted to a reverse order. Now, this program takes me back to the question which said, print the multiplication table of P. Okay, from 1 to 20 both forward and reverse order. So, here I have to modify the variables. I have to change this to P. P is the number. So, I cannot write P there. The multiplication table of P. So, I have to write the result in some other number, call it RES. Result is storing the result. So, multiplication table of P. So, P into R is going to be stored via RES. So, this is from 1 to 20. Is it from 1 to 20? No, it is not. So, I need to make it from 1 to 20 and 1 beyond. Otherwise, 20 will not be included. Okay. Now, it is your turn to take this code in your own hand, run it on your own, supply the value, and then get satisfied. Otherwise, go through the video all over again. Okay?